Hi everyone, my name is Alima. Today we are going to learn how to create a video on Canva. So let's start with this. Just go to the Create button here and go for Video here. You can see there are so many options here. You can design anything you want to. So we are going to start with the video. Here you have also options of different types of videos. You can design a landscape video, Instagram reel, TikTok video, anything you want. So, we are going to design a Facebook video. Here, we start with the Facebook video. So, it is 1080 by 1080 pixels. Here are different templates you can use for video. You can find every type of templates. These are completely designed and usable template for you. And you can see they all are free. You can add audios, videos, graphics, animations, and many more things to enhance your video, and you can add text. So, here is a canvas for you to design. Below here, you can see the duration of your video. You can add audio here, and also add graphics, text, and elements here. Now, let's get started. Go to the elements and search for watercolor backgrounds. You can see all the elements are appeared according to your search. We need a photo, so go to Photos. So here with the photos of backgrounds. I need a brown colored background, so I am going to search for it. So here we go. I'm choosing this one. Now go to Graphics and search for flowers. Scroll through it and pick your favorite one. I picked this one. Align it to the center of the page. I'm changing its color to brown according to the background. From here, select your element and place it where you want. I want it to appear with the image, so I'm setting it with the image. You can also manage the duration by just moving the handle to left for decreasing and right for increasing. I'm setting it to 3 seconds and the element also. Go to Text and add a text box. I'm writing the color. You can write whatever you want. Set the font style and font size. Now create a new clip. Search for a blue watercolor background. Pick your favorite one. I've chose this one. Now select the flower and copy it. Paste it above the second image and do the same with the text box. Set the image to 3 seconds. Again, doing the same things for the third clip. I've arranged all the elements and durations according to the first one. Go to Animate and select any animation of your choice. Because this is the first clip, I'm using ink. Click the text box, and all the animations of text appeared here. Select a suitable animation. I'm using typewriter. Click this button in between 2 images. Here you can animate a complete clip. I've used flow and set its direction from left to right. Click Apply between all scenes. You can see that same sign is applied between all images. Click the Preview button and see your video. The orange needs to adjust. Now it looks pretty good. Our video is almost done. Moving to the last step, go to Elements, click the audio. Search here for soft and peaceful. And the audio's appeared here. Choose the one you like. I'm picking this one. Set it with the video. Preview the video again. You can also add captions, slip it, and also set its volume from 0 to 400. 100 is perfect for it. You can also fade the music. Here, you can fade in and fade out your audio. There are different styles of captions. I don't need this now because I only added music. Let's preview our final video. For downloading, click the Share Design button. Here is Download option. Click it. Here, it suggests MP4 video. Click Download, and your video will be saved to desktop. So the video is downloaded. If you have any query, comment it, and I'll guide you completely. If you like the content, subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon so you don't miss the latest videos. Have a nice journey!